Hello my fuzzy friends, I'm Ram, your furry mechanic. Picture this, you're driving to your favorite convention, then BAM! All of a sudden you get a flat tire. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change it so you'll be more prepared next time you drive. First step, locate your spare tire, jack, and tire iron. They are in different locations in every vehicle, so refer to your owner's manual or Google. Once you have acquired everything, go ahead and loosen each lug nut about a quarter turn while the vehicle is still on the ground. After loosening each lug nut a quarter turn, go ahead and find a suitable lift point for your car, which will also be listed in either the owner's manual or Google, and make sure you're on a nice, steady, solid surface. Then simply begin lifting your car. After your tire is completely off the ground, go ahead and remove the rest of the lug nuts completely. Once you have removed your flat tire, go ahead and set on your spare. And start each lug nut by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once you have them on by hand, go ahead and snug them up the best you can with the wheel off the ground in a crisscross pattern. Now that these are snug, it's time to let the car back down. After your vehicle is back on the ground, most cars call for around 100 foot-pounds of torque. So basically, if you're a tiny 100-pound femboy, just stand right here about a foot from the lug nut and you're perfect. For the rest of us, tighten these up good, firm, and snug in a crisscross pattern. Once you've finished tightening all of them nice and snug in a crisscross pattern, clean up your tools and you're good to go.